Q8338. Both gasoline and kerosene have certain advantages for use as turbine fuel. Which statement is true in reference to the advantages of each? A. Kerosene has a higher heat energy divided by value per unit weight than gasoline. B. Gasoline has a higher heat energy divided by value per unit volume than kerosene. C. Kerosene has a higher heat energy divided by value per unit volume than gasoline. The correct answer is C. Kerosene and petrol both have almost the same heat energy per pound, while petrol has a nominally greater heat energy per pound, 20,000 BTU versus around 18,500 BTU. However, kerosene weighs more per gallon than petrol, 6.7 pounds versus 6 pounds. Kerosene has more pounds per gallon than petrol does, hence a gallon of kerosene has more BTUs than a gallon of petrol. Q8339. What must accompany fuel vaporization? A. An absorption of heat. B. A decrease in vapor pressure. C. A reduction in volume. The correct answer is A. When fuel vaporizes, it requires heat energy to overcome the intermolecular forces that hold the liquid molecules together. This absorption of heat causes the fuel to change from a liquid to a vapor state. Q8340. Characteristics of detonation are: A. Cylinder pressure remains the same, excessive cylinder head temperature, and a decrease in engine power. B. Rapid rise in cylinder pressure, excessive cylinder head temperature, and a decrease in engine power. C. Rapid rise in cylinder pressure, cylinder head temperature normal, and a decrease in engine power. The correct answer is B. Detonation is characterized by a rapid rise in cylinder pressure, excessive cylinder head temperature, and a decrease in engine power. If you suspect detonation is occurring in your engine, it is important to address the issue promptly to avoid potential engine damage. Q8341. A fuel that vaporizes too readily may cause: A. Hard starting. B. Detonation. C. Vapor lock. The correct answer is C. When the fuel vaporizes too easily, it can cause a vapor lock, which is a condition where the fuel in the fuel lines and carburetor vaporizes, preventing the engine from receiving an adequate amount of fuel. This can lead to engine stalling or hard starting. Detonation, on the other hand, is caused by the fuel's inability to resist spontaneous combustion, leading to engine knocking. Q8342. Jet fuel number identifiers are: A. Performance numbers to designate the volatility of the fuel. B. Performance numbers and are relative to the fuel's performance in the aircraft engine. C. Type numbers and have no relation to the fuel's performance in the aircraft engine. The correct answer is C. The identifying codes for the fuel used in jet engines, JP, 4, JPS, Jet A, Jet AL, and Jet B, are solely for identification purposes and have no bearing on how well the fuel operates in the engine.